Good morning, students. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Let's see rules of this exercise. First is prime numbers. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself. For example, 2. 2 will come in table of 1 and in table of 2 itself. So 2 is the prime number. 7 also will come in table of 1 and number itself. So 7 is prime number. Like 23 and 29 also. So many numbers are there like 17, 19. These are prime numbers. Now come on the composite numbers. Second is composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Simple. Number who has more than two factors, like 4. 4 has more than two factors. 4 will come in table of 1 and number itself, and 2 also. 2 2 is 4. So 4 is composite number. 6 like also. 6 will come in table of 1, number itself, in table of 2, in table of 3. So more than two factors. If number have more than two factors, then it is called composite number. Third point is 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. 1 will not come in prime number and 1 will not come in composite. 1 has only one factor, only 1. So 1 is neither a prime or nor a composite number. Next is even numbers. Even numbers you did in previous class also. The numbers which completely divides by 2, that number is called even number. Or you can say if last digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number also will be even number. Like if I'm writing 56. If you have to find it is even or odd, what is the last digit? 6. 6. I told you if 6 is last digit, then it is called even number. Now come on the odd number. Odd numbers which are not completely divided by in table of 2. These numbers are called odd numbers. Or you can say that if last digit will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the number will be odd number. If I have written 79 and last digit is 9, so this number is odd number. Sixth rule is 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. 2 सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर है जो इवन होता है, जो 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड होता है. एंड एवरी प्राइम नंबर एक्सेप्ट 2 इज ओड. 2 को छोड़कर सारे प्राइम नंबर्स ओड होते हैं. नाउ कम ऑन द एक्सरसाइज 3.2. First question is, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? He is saying if we will add any two odd numbers, so what will be the sum? So we can take any two odd numbers. I am taking here 9 plus 3. Both are odd numbers. You can take any odd number. When we will add two odd numbers, so sum will be even. Always. Sum will be always even number. So sum will be even if we will add any two odd numbers. Now he is saying if we will add any two even numbers, take any two even numbers. I am taking 4 and 6. If we will add these two numbers, so sum will be even. So if we will add any two even numbers, so sum will be also even. Second question, true false. First is the sum of three odd numbers is even. We will justify this answer by taking some example. Sum of three odd numbers. We will take any three odd number. I am taking 3, 5 and 7. When I will add these three odd numbers, so 15 will come. 15 is not an even number. So this statement is false. Second, the sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. Again we will take example. We will take two odd numbers. I am taking here 5 and 7. And with this I am taking one even number, that I am taking 4. Now I am adding these numbers. So it will be 16. So 16 is even number. So this statement is true. Next is the product of three odd numbers is odd number. Now I am taking 3 odd numbers and I will multiply these numbers. Odd numbers I am taking, so 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. It will be 105. So 105 is odd number because last digit is 5. So this statement is true. Next, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. So I am taking one even number and I am dividing this number by 2. So what is the quotient? 8, and 8 is not odd number. It is even. So when we will divide any even number by 2, the quotient is always even. So it can be odd or even. If I am dividing 6 by 2, so it will be 3. So here quotient is odd. So it can be odd or it can be even. Now next, all prime numbers are odd. It is false. All prime numbers are odd. No, because 2 is also prime number and 2 is not odd. So it is false. Prime numbers do not have any factor. It is also false. Prime numbers have two factors, 1 and number itself. So this statement is false. Prime numbers have two factors. Next D part is sum of two prime numbers is always even. It is false. If I am taking two prime numbers, thus I am taking 2 plus 5. It is 7. So it can be even or it can be odd. So always not. So it is false. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, we talked about earlier this. 2 is only even number and prime number. All even numbers are composite numbers. False. All even numbers are composite numbers. 2 is even number and it is not composite number. So all even numbers are composite number. No, it is false. The product of two even numbers is always even. Yes, true. If we will multiply any two even numbers, 4 multiply 8, it will be 32. Or I am taking 2 multiply 6, 12. So the product of two even numbers is always even number. It is true. Third question is, the numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. So we will find both numbers should be prime. If I will take 17 and I will interchange this number, digits 71. Next I can take 37 and 73. Up to 100 you have to make. Next 79 and 97. So these are the pairs of prime numbers up to 100. So these are all our prime numbers because they are coming under the prime numbers. Now up to 100 we have only 3 pairs. If I will take 15 and 51, these are not prime numbers because they have more than 2 factors. Similarly, if I will take 16 and 61, 16 is not a prime number. So only 3 pairs we have up to 100 that they are prime. These are not.